All right, guys, I'm Coach Chapin, and you're in my kitchen. And today, I'm going to bring you another game changer, my breakfast or on-the-go frittatas. So, real simple, real easy. I use a dozen eggs, 1 onion, half of a red pepper. I had like 4 or 5 mushrooms. Today I'm going to use bacon. You could use sausage. You could leave that. That's kind of an optional item. And I'm going to show you what that all looks like and what that entails. Now, a lot of you reach for protein shakes and protein bars on the go, and this is just another alternative. So you can meal prep this and have it ready and handy. And I even eat them cold. They taste great and fairly economical and just overall convenience. All right, so the steps. First step, now I'm not a chef, but you got to think about what's going to take the longest to cook. So bacon, that's going to take the longest to cook. Second, I'm going to pre-cook all the vegetables. So while the bacon's cooking, I'm going to throw on these vegetables. Now, a lot of you like to cook in olive oil. I'm going to suggest you use an avocado oil. The main reason is you can kind of, if you're not an expert, the temperature at which this burns is a lot higher than olive oil or butter, and I think it tastes great too. So, a little bit more expensive and maybe a little bit harder to find, but put a little bit of that in the pan. Here's my mushrooms, chopped up. Smaller is better. They're going to cook a little bit, and remember, they're going to these small muffin pans, so it's got all fit. Here's my onion, and I'm going to save the peppers, hold those off for a minute, and mix these around a little bit. Now, a little salt, and then you hit it up with a little pepper. Got to save your energy for the gyms, folks. Not trying to work harder, I'm trying to work smarter. So, let this cook down a little bit, and then add in some of the peppers. Alright, so I pulled the bacon off, and you'll see this here. You can also use sausage. You could use any combination of things. You could use nothing at all. You could also add cheese if you wanted to really go crazy. But I have the 12 eggs in here. I need to scramble them up. Just kind of one hand, mess them around however you want to do it. Notice we have this cooked down. Not cooked down all the way because it's going to cook in the oven. And just mix this all up, and then add this in, and I'm going to cut up that bacon, and then we'll show you the next step here. So, non-stick pan, make sure you inspect it, make sure there's no flakes. If there's flakes, throw it out. That stuff you do not want in your body. I'm going to take a little coconut spray, just, liberally apply, and then bowl with the little spigot is going to make your life a lot easier. So while this is going on, I also added in a little garlic, and I've preheated the oven. So we're going to put these in for about 12 to 15 minutes in this oven. Play it by ear. A lot of times your ovens, the temperature gauge is not very accurate, so make sure you either get a thermometer or you just pay attention. That's just a general rule for life, is pay better attention to food in general. So we're hopefully going to get you more information and just make your life easier. So I'm just pouring these in. You can do it one-handed all the way up to the top, and then that'll make 12, and we'll show you kind of what it looks like in a few minutes. All right, folks, the moment of truth. This is key. Ugh. So this is also the hard part. I like to use a towel to grab these guys. There's one. And there's two. Oh, almost perfect, right? Screwed up a little. But you too could be eating this for breakfast every day. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want all of the latest content, turn on the notifications and subscribe and share to anyone you think who could benefit. We're trying to get more content out there just so that you guys can be the best versions of yourself, and just all the shortcuts in life to being, you know, what I would consider, you know, a healthy mind, body, and soul. Get that out to you guys and just give you guys some shortcuts to the journey that I've been on. So, see you guys in the next video.